We're here at the Peterson racetrack talking to the current champion runner, Jeremiah. So explain the track to us, the dangers, potential problems.
You go through here, about right there, there's a little gap where you can sort of get stuck. You can also get pushed out. You have to go around this, down over here, around. You may get stuck in around this area, and you keep going, and you have to make this final jump.
Is there a penalty for missing that final jump, or do you just die in the attempt?
You just die.
And can you please explain the technology that will allow you to miniaturize yourself? Here's the chief scientist of the group, Joshua.
That's a shame.
The inventor of the miniaturization technique.
They all failed.
That's the first.
Actually, that's not the first.
No, it went flying.
Dr. Joshua, can you please explain the miniaturization technique that allows both you and the current champion to get into your specialized vehicles that will allow you to navigate this treacherous track?
But it already got stuck, so the first count.
Right, let's do it again.
All right, let's go for it. I want to see a real race. Where's the scientist? I see the current champion there, but I see nobody else.
But you put them back in, so that doesn't count either.